Alright guys, welcome back. So I'm continuing to build on our burnt RV. I'm basically making sure all the windows are sealed up because it's kind of like the rainy season right now. It's kind of on and off. So I want to make sure everything that I did inside doesn't get water damage. So I'm going to take these big windows out. I'm going to pressure wash them, clean them up, and probably repaint them because some spots look like they got burned pretty good. So I'm going to tape up the glass, repaint all the trim black, make it look real nice. So let's go ahead and get to it, take that out, get it done, and put it back together. Let's go. right, they're turning out fantastic, looking a lot better. Oh yeah, but now I'm gonna put on the Butler tape, and I read your comments, so I'm definitely gonna try to get more on this edge versus that edge to get a better seal. So let's go. Okay, so we took the shower walls off to do the new plumbing. So we got the new plumbing installed with the shower heads gonna be on top right there. Got it all clamped up. Got these guys, so it's looking good. We can put the shower walls back on and we'll be good to go. Okay, so just like that, we got the walls put back in. Use the nail gun to nail them back in with little staples. So it's looking good. Ready for the surround sound. The surrounding. I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this countertop. We want to replace it with something else because obviously we got some damage on it and stuff due to the burn right here in the corners. I don't know how to fix that. I'm sure you could sand it down or something, but I don't know. So I'm just gonna go ahead and replace it, put some new on, and then I could do the backsplash slash wallpaper here as well. Let's do it. Alright guys, there we go. It's looking better. I'm getting more wallpaper done. Got my windows in, finally installed. I still definitely have a lot more trim pieces to go. A lot of little seams and stuff like that, but overall it's coming together. I'm gonna put little angle pieces there and stuff like that. Man, a lot of work. Putting some drawers in. It's like the more I work, the more work I see. Definitely still got that to fix. The bathroom still has a lot of work to do. I've got all the panels that we want to do, the waterproof, sheeting, the boards. But overall it's coming together slowly. Sides are looking much better. Got all that vinyl wallpaper on there. Got some of the rails installed. I still need my fan I gotta do. Got some lights I gotta put up. Got a little bit of backsplash, so I still got some rails to put up there, trim pieces and stuff, but just a progress report on how it's going. So it's definitely looking a lot better in here than before. I mean, it's definitely coming together. That wallpaper though, wow. That's what I've been doing for the past, I don't know how many days. It just feels like more and more wallpaper every time I go. It's like, oh, there's another panel, there's another side. I'm definitely getting more comfortable with it at the end. I'm like, okay, this is how this stuff kind of works. And honestly, I think it's pretty nice. It's adhesive, it sticks on there. You can actually take it off if you need to and then reapply it, so it doesn't like just tear or fall apart like that. So it's pretty cool being thick. Wow. Big project, a lot of work. The next step, what I like to do is put some lights in. So basically right here I'll have a little bit more lighting so I can get that wired up. They actually came in, so I'll get those installed. I have some of my fans, new things that we got from the other parts camper that we have, so we'll get the covers installed, get my ventilation going, and hopefully finish up all the little trim work, and hopefully next time I'll be able to start the floors. We got all those nice floors to do. Once we get that going, it's gonna look really nice. Oh, I still have my stove, my countertop, microwave. Yeah, the list goes on. It's a big project, but it's coming together. I mean, honestly, I even watched the older videos. I'm like, wow, that thing was a mess from before. So it's a huge transformation from where it was. And you gotta keep putting more love into it. Let's get it done. Okay, so I got my LED lights here, but before I could go ahead and put these on, I wanna make sure they work. I'm gonna need to go ahead and wire up my master control board back on, because it says ceiling lights on or off, so I won't be able to get power to my lights without my master control board. So let's go ahead and get that on first. And then we'll get the lights wired in, test them out, make sure they work, and then mount them. But let's get it done. It's looking good. I don't really remember how that board went together, but good thing I took pictures of it. It's the best thing to do. And we got videos of it too, so just go back and have record. Let's get it figured out, wire it in. Alright guys, so there we go. Just like that, light is on, installed. We got our exhaust fan working, get some ventilation going on here because it was always a little stuffy back here, but now I can see what I'm doing and get the AC going soon. Like I said, it's still got a lot of trim work to do, but it's coming together. A lot of details still ahead of me, but that's all the time we have for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Basically, that's our update for now. Make sure you check out our merch store. Like we said, we've got our new shirts going on. If you got a chance, check that out. We appreciate all the support, you guys. Until next time.